ready. Throwing through here is shadows. 3 pounds, 8 ounces. Another gorgeous fish, but I'm ready for the 2.5. Another nice smallie, probably 2.5. All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Fishing with CP. I'm Chris Pierce. It is 7 in the morning, March 23rd, and look at this forecast. Let me give you a second to let that sink in. That's mid-90s the rest of the week. It's March 23rd. So all options are open today. Spawn's going to be fully on. The big largemouth should be coming in. Water temp should be in the mid-60s later today. It's 59 right now. All right, guys, I'm going to get out of kind of a Ned rig. It's a shaky head. Got it on a 610 medium finesse tube jig rod, Skeet Reese 2500 Shimano. And throw a little weedless, it's actually a 5-inch Cinco that I just cut down, put it on a round shaky head. I'm gonna go in this toolies here, see if they're in here. Look at this, we got a smallie. It's a nice way to start the day right there. Alright guys, this is how you start the day. Gorgeous little smallmouth there, 2-pounder, fat little belly. Kind of that Ned rig right through the mouth there. Let's let her go back to the bed. So guys, all I'm really throwing to here is shadows. When a smallmouth builds a bed, it's round, it's dark, so if you can't sight fish them, just look for shadows. Could be structure, it could be the bed. Feels like something's knocking on the door right here, buddy. Alright guys, I got a bed located here. Looks like she's on it, so can't tell she's bigger. Drift away from it.
There we go.
Had to do it by feel. Couldn't see. Alright, got a nice smallmouth on here. 2.5 pounder probably. Got on the Ned rig there. About the same as the other one. About the same as the other one. Alright guys, I think I got a big one over here. Like you never can tell in the water, but she looks pretty cool to me. Here we go, guys. Here we go. That's a little bigger fish there. That's 3.5 pounds there. That is a badass fish. That's a 4 pounder. It's a 4 fucking pounder. Got him on that tube. Holy moly. Tube right there on shaky head. Put this old girl on scale. $3.8. She's bigger than that. She's bigger than that. I'm gonna reweigh her. She's over 4. Alright, let's get a release on her. 3 pound, 8 inch, 19 inch smallmouth. She's biting me, so she's ready to go. As big as I was hoping for. go. Man, just a light little tap right there. Oh my God. Man, look at that fat little belly. Got her on this tube. Fourth landed, maybe seventh and fifth. Got him on that tube there. Another nice smallie, probably 2.5, but look at that belly. Look how big the tail is. That's why they're so powerful. And they're mean and pissed off. All right, look at that. Let's let him go. Or her in this case, I think. Probably 2.5 pounder. So I'd made a bad cast on that, and so I was goofing around a little bit, and I looked up, fish had it, it was off the bed, fish was taking it the other way. In a little bit I might transition, try and find some big largemouth on a fluke or in the toolies. Oh, maybe the punch rig when it gets a little warmer. It'll get in the mid 80s here in a minute. That should make the water temperature, it's 59, yeah, it should get up in the 60s. Wish I would do. I'd like to go live right now, have you guys watching, have some kind of screen where I can answer questions and see what you guys want me to do right now. I've caught 7 smallmouth. You're probably done with that, you know, or what to throw, what to do, you know, let you guys make the decisions. How fun would that be? Not 7, and it could be one more than that. By the way, all in one cove. Alright, it's time to get this tube off there. It's been abused. Let's mess with the Cinco here. If you're wondering why pink, it's because, like I said earlier in the day, if you're bed fishing, you want more, especially if you're sight fishing, you want more visual to you, where you can see it. But they're not eating it because they're hungry, they're eating it because they're mad, so they don't care. So pink, white, and chartreuse are what I can see anyway. Put a little garlic on there. Just spilled that shit all over me. I think I'll do this for one more fish, and then I'm gonna go in the toolies, try and catch a largemouth. That is my goal. From here on out, it's probably noon. pick it up on the fly. I have my drag loose from last time. Look at my hands. Oh, the male and the female are there. All right, another nice. That's a nice one. At least 2.5, if not 3. And on the pink Ned. See ya. Go hide under the kayak. Literally under the kayak. They do that. Oh, there he goes. Actually, while he's off there, I might try and get the female. Or the other one. I know if that, I didn't pay attention actually. Alright. I think I'm a few days early for this with these mid-90s coming up. They're going to be all up in here, but they might be in there now. I mean, largemouth are starting to bed already. But I'm going to throw this in there. It's a punch rig on a 6.9, excuse me, on a 7.9 heavy, 60-pound braid, 1 1/4 heavyweight. I got the barber stops in there, size 4 hook, and just a braid. Mr. Largemouth, I'm here for you, but just temporarily. I'll put you back. Let me get my fix. Not really seeing much movement in here. I think we're a couple days away. Water temp will go up 10 degrees in the next week. We'll be in the 70s by the end of this week. Probably in a couple days. Lows are 70. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. It's been an awesome day. I think I caught 8 and 6 in the boat, all smallmouth, all on bed. So I didn't get the largemouth bite I wanted, but I also I wasn't patient enough either for it. But these next 4 days, mid 90s, 98, the largemouth. I'm wanting to test this punch rig that I've got. I've never caught a fish on a punch rig. It's I try and learn 3 new presentations each year. It's one of them, so I'm ready for them to get in these toolies, catch them on drop shot. But anyway, if you like the video and subscribe and enjoy, and if not, have a great day anyway. Have a great day.